This is question number 11 from Chapter 4, Form A, handed out in class. Solve the system by substitution or elimination. If the system is inconsistent or has dependent equations, say so. So this one I did in class. We have 3 variables, x, y, z, and 3 equations. Set up, all my variables are lined up, that's important. There is no x down here. That's good, because our first step we have to do is to pick pairs of equations, 2 pairs, so that we have 2 equations with 2 unknowns. I could already pick C and I'd be done with that. Then I just need to combine A and B and eliminate the x. That's the best way to do it. This is not a bad choice either. Okay, so I'm going to go with the x's. There's many ways to start this problem off. So I'm going to eliminate the x's. I'm going to use equation C as my first pair or equation that I need to be true. Now I need to combine these two, A and B. A and B, I want to eliminate x. I want my target to be 8. I'll write that up here for these 2 equations. But this one needs to be negative, one needs to be positive. It's almost easier to leave this guy the way he is. So I just have to multiply this equation through by -4. Oops, -4, equation B. Okay, that'll do all my equations. Let's start here. Let's start with -4b. So I'm going to take -4, multiply through equation B. And distribute. Everybody gets hit by a -4. -8x minus 4y plus 4z equals +12. Do not forget to multiply him by -4 as well. What was I doing? I did this. Now I need equation A. I'll put it right underneath. 8x minus 2y plus 2z equals 24. X's drop out, which is what I was expecting. -6y plus 6z equals 36. One equation with 2 variables. C is my other equation with 2 variables. So we're going to solve the 2 by 2 system for both variables y and z. First I have -6y plus 6z equals 36. I like to write them out first and then start solving. I need to eliminate one of the variables. I am going to pick y's because one is positive, one is negative, and I just need to multiply the second equation by +6. This is going to be equation, what equation was this? This was equation C. I'm going to call that one equation D. That makes sense. So this is going to be C. I don't like how I wrote that. A plus 6C. I like that better. Okay, so A, let's do 6C first. 6 times equation C is 6y plus z equals 2. 6y plus 6z equals 12. And then I want equation D. -6y plus 6z equals 36. These drop out just as we suspected. 12z equals 48. Divide by 12. Z equals 4. let me finish this system up. If z equals 4 in equation C, I want to solve for y when z equals 4. And you can see we get y equals -2. 2 down, 1 to go. Y equals -2, z equals 4. Let me just check that in this 2 by 2 system. In the first equation, -6 times -2 plus 6 times 4 equals 36. Positive 12 plus 24 equals 36. 36 equals 36. That was a D equation, and I can quickly check the C equation. -2 plus 4 equals 2. 2 equals 2. Okay, I'm not done yet. I've got to solve for, I'm missing y, z, oops, I'm missing x. Let's go back to the original equation. Any equation. This is not going to help me, so I've got to choose A or B. This time I'm going to choose B because it's got smaller exponents. Just a little less working to do. So B, the equation is 2x plus y minus z equals -3. I think y is -2 and z is -4. I mean positive 4. Z is positive 4. Y is -2. And I want to solve for x. (2x minus 2 minus 4 equals -3. Put those two together. 2x minus 6 equals -3 plus 6 plus 6. 2x equals 3. So x equals 3 over 2. I did this one in class. That looks familiar. Okay, not done yet. Let's check. This is an ordered triple. X is 3/2. Y is -2 and z is 4. We have to go back to the original equations. I'm running out of room. So let's see what we get. A, 8. I'll write the equation down, and then what I'll do is I will substitute. 8 times 3/2 minus 2 times -2 plus 2 times 4 equals 24. This is 24 over 2, which is just 12. Or you can think of this as canceling, and then 4 times 3 is also 12. Plus 4 plus 8 equals 24. Let's see, 12 and 4 is 16. 16 and 8 is 24. That's equation A. Equation B is 2x plus y minus z equals -3. 2 times 3/2 plus y I think is -2, and z I think is positive 4. Does that equal -3? This is 3 minus 2 minus 4 equals -3. 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 4 equals -3. Yes, -3 equals -3. That one's good. I need to find space to check the third equation. Let's see, we'll put it over here. Check C. Equation C is y plus z equals 2. Y, I believe, is -2. Z, I believe, is 4. And -2 plus 4 equals 2. And yes, that is 2. Good. So my solution is, finally, yes, a whole page. 3/2, -2, positive 4 for z.